How's it going, everybody? It's Zach Malik. And guys, you know the deal. We're back with another video. Guys, in this video here, we are on I-20. And we have been up on the road before sunrise. And we're gonna have a pretty long day. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We'll pick up another load of some dry sand. And you guys are gonna hear everything, see everything. We're gonna have a good time together, so stay tuned with the video. As you get down. How's it going? Let's go ahead and untar. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get loaded. It's actually late in the day, so don't want to hold anybody up. I'm out the silo, and it's dry sand, can't get wet. So I was supposed to haul this earlier this week, but I'm just now getting to it. And we got to go a little ways to get back home, so we're gonna be trucking. But the good news is we're gonna be able to show these night lights, baby. These night lights gonna be shining. All right, guys, we're fueling up. Head to the other side. Put fuel in that tank. All right, guys. What time is it? 4:46. They got about 2 hours, 2.5 hours till I dump off the road. Then I got to drive a couple hours back to the house. So by the time I finish, it definitely will be nice. You guys get to see this light show. I try not to fuel up right over here. Fuel's usually a couple cents higher where I'm at, but the way the day turned out, I was kind of really tight on time, where I had to get loaded and then fuel up afterwards, and now I'm fueled. So. Guys, man, I'm gonna try to start getting some more videos out. I see you guys want videos. I've been really busy with house projects, just home in general. My little girl, she's getting older. There's like a lot of changes right now in my life, man. But it's all blessings, it's all good things. And if you watch this right now, man, keep on going. I used to be just like you guys, whether you watch me because you love me, watch for inspiration, whatever it might be, man. I used to be right in your shoes, doing the same thing, man. It's gonna happen. Whatever's in your mind, whatever you're cooking up, whatever you're thinking of, you got it, man. Keep with it. truck lookings right now. I washed it last night. I was up late last night. I had a long day trucking last night. Got home, started trucking. Started washing the truck. And just back a little dirty again. But guys, we're about to go ahead and pull up this hill. You guys can see. So I'm putting the camera on the back. And I think I seen my last one. You guys like the camera angle on the back. Listen to the pipes. So y'all gonna see how this thing sounds pull up this hill. So stay tuned for that. good, get nice and cozy. Put a little lean to it, and flick that wrist, man. And flick that wrist. I want to smile. I want a mean mug. This thing sound nasty. This truck sound nasty. Sometimes you just wanna. Then you just wanna. But yeah, man, we just having a good time while we truck our way back down east. Pull up a little bit of an incline right now. See where that turbo will sing a little louder. Got in the big hole, we're gonna cruise on with it.
Turn right.
What's going on there, y'all?
How you doing, Mr. Hope? I'll be seeing you on TikTok, man.
Oh man, I appreciate it, man. We're taking one day at a time, right?
Keep up the good work, man. Don't let nobody keep up subscribe to help hold you down. Just hold doing what you're doing.
Right on there, y'all, right on. And right back at you, and you have a safe one here on this road.
Yeah, well, I'll come out and I'll refill twice back down that way.
10-4. I was the first on 95, baby. Emerged on 95. And sun coming down. About that time for them chicken lights. We got it in the big hole. Sun come down, and the weather is just right. And out the window, turbo singing. You're on the interstate, ain't no better feeling, baby. before you up this video, I just want to let you guys know, man, for where I'm at right now, man, I used to pray for times like this, you know, working hard, having my own truck, having my own trailer, having a home to come home to. I'm able to pull my truck up to my own house. It's a blessing. Hard work does pay off, and prayer does pay off. So guys, keep on pushing. Thank you for the love. See you next time.